Want to tantalize your taste buds while spicing up your sex life? How's that sound?
It sounds
Doc.
really, I love it. I love it.
I don't know about you. I'm all in on this. Well, Chef Lala has the secret recipe. Take a look.
Hey guys, I'm Chef Lala. I'm here to show you how you and your partner can make your very own at-home 3-course romantic dinner using some common aphrodisiac ingredients as a special added twist. So, when I place my steak in the pan, this is the sound I want. Oh yeah, because steak boosts female arousal and also is making it a potential aphrodisiac for men. I'm going to take some garlic, increases blood flow and overall cardiovascular wellness. A little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Now, I'm going to pair my steak with some lobster ravioli. Lobster has a history as an aphrodisiac, and it can be traced back to Greek mythology. It's helpful in boosting dopamine levels and it elevates sensitivity. Once it floats to the top, what I'll do is I'll transfer it over to my truffle butter with saffron. And studies in women have shown that those in the saffron group, well, they experience higher levels of, well, let's just say, willingness. Also, truffles' musky scent replicate the scent of a male pheromone. I'm also going to add some asparagus salad. Now, my salad is mixed greens with arugula because researchers say that vitamin E enhances your energy level and it releases hormones for satisfying intimacy. I'm also going to add the fruit d'amore, which is the avocado. Now I want to add some crunch due to the ability of pistachios to improve blood cholesterol and stimulate better blood flow throughout the body. I'm also going to add some oranges. Orange is associated with the sacral chakra. It stimulates appetite and it reduces stress. I took some carrots, cucumbers, ginger dressing. Ginger dressing is loaded with antioxidants to help you feel and look your best. Let's go to dessert, of course. Strawberries. Strawberries look like little hearts. Of course they're pretty and they're delicious because there's nutrients, include vitamin C, which is good for blood flow and your production of estrogen. I'm going to take my strawberry, I'm going to dip it in some white chocolate and also some dark chocolate. Now, chocolate contains a chemical believed to produce the feelings of being in love. I'm going to add some cognac to it because alcohol may act as an aphrodisiac. There you have it. A few simple recipes to spice up your at-home date nights and keep things interesting in the kitchen and in the bedroom. Yeah.
And for more recipes from Chef Lala, you can visit thedoctorstv.com.